You hear that? The sound, the wind, the sound coming from the sky. That's not coming from the traffic. That's not from the cars, from the motors. That's a wind. It's a prophetic wind. You hear that? This started happening a couple of days ago. Since yesterday. That's a warning sign, guys. That sound is not coming from the motorcycles, not from cars, trucks, train, nothing like that. It's Sunday morning right now. I verified it myself that this is not coming from the traffic. It's the prophetic sound of wind from the sky. God is warning us. It's pretty spooky. This strange phenomenon, this strange noise, it lasted for 2-3 hours yesterday. And today, this morning, it just started. This morning, Sunday. You hear that? There's no race events going on. There's no racetrack here nearby. You hear that? It's not coming from the cars. Except for that motorcycle one. This is a prophetic warning. It's a prophetic sign. God is warning us to get our acts together, to get ready for God, to find God. That's what He is calling us for. He's not calling you to just, oh, you hear that? This is creepy. God is not just warning us that that the trouble is coming. It's more to it than that. It's more to it than just God is not calling us to prepare for ourselves for what is coming, like economic collapse and the World War III. What good is preparing without God, without coming to God? That's what God is talking about. That's what He's putting emphasis on. He's calling us to come to Him. Then He will guide you. And He will guide you what to prepare, how to prepare His way for you. That's what this is about. It's no good if people don't come to God and just prepare for themselves, thinking that they will be able to manage and that they are under control, thinking that they will get over this. No, no, you'll be in trouble. You'll be in for serious trouble, and it will be pointless, and you will gain nothing for your spiritual eternal life, your future. You're gonna lose out. You're gonna lose out a lot. That's why God is calling us, warning us through this wind of strange phenomenon, sound. This is one of the signs. He is calling us to come to Him. About 3 years ago, I saw atomic bomb explosion cloud, a nuclear explosion cloud. I captured video of that. That wasn't one of the signs of what is coming. Take note, guys, this is not happen by coincidence. Don't disregard of what you are seeing or what you are hearing, something that is strange. This is one of the signs.